Possibly.
You know, we should be prepared. You know, the one thing, and we've talked about this even before the show, the weather models are just going crazy, and that kind of tells me we're not just yet ready to tell you what's going to happen with this system. I still think there's going to be a risk of some wintry weather as we head toward Monday already. We are talking about some cold weather. Storm track headlines now, and yes, turning colder right now. We got numbers still in the 50s, but very soon, I mean, the cold front is only about, 20 miles away or just north of Birmingham. Already temperatures just to the north are really taking a tumble. Winter storm is possible Monday, and some of that could linger into Tuesday. So again, prepare right now. Let's take a look. We looked at this at 6 o'clock. Here's the latest run coming in on this particular model, and we'll start around midnight tomorrow night. So kind of jumping ahead a little bit, and this still shows some areas of clouds to fair conditions. Notice, though, after midnight, the clouds really move in, and here comes some precipitation. Now, around 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning, Monday morning, it could begin over here in West Alabama. However, this particular model is trying to show the freezing rain, the sleet, up to the north now, maybe even a little bit north of Marion, Winston County. I can't tell you, as we head into tomorrow, this whole line of mixed precipitation could shift back down toward I-20. Again, our weather models, what we look at to forecast here, are just all over the place this evening, and so it's a low confidence forecast. I think the northern counties over here around Gadsden, over to Aniana, Coleman, Double Springs, Hamilton, maybe Vernon, and also Fayette, could stand the highest risk right now of some freezing rain and maybe some sleet. That is not what we want to hear. Some of that could, though, head on down toward the Birmingham area. Right now, it looks like at least the model is trying to shift at least the freezing rain, the ice, so to speak, up to the north just a little bit. That kind of correlates what we're seeing on ice accumulation up around noon. It's not showing much at all around central Alabama, but don't pay too much attention to that. Again, some of that ice could spread on down toward the south. We'll check out the weather models as they come in tomorrow. Even some of this snowfall potential may be confined up here around the Tennessee Valley as time goes on. That's something we'll track for you as we head toward tomorrow. Be sure to pay attention to us around 5:30 tomorrow, and then again at 10 o'clock, and we'll bring you the latest on what we're thinking in terms of the wintry type weather. Impacts, if we see some ice, some travel is going to be hazardous as we head into Monday. Right now, again, the greatest confidence appears to be northern counties. But it's chilly out there right now. We've got some areas of clouds, and also cold front is very close to Birmingham, already really cold up toward the north. Look at numbers now. We're down to 38 in Marion County up in Hamilton, 42 Coleman. Our friends in Etowah County is 38. By the time Lee Garner steps out of the studio tonight, I guarantee you these temperatures down into the 40s. And look at wind chills up to the north. Feels like 25 degrees right now. So bundle up. First thing in the morning, it's going to be cold. No precipitation. Your low temperature around 21. Look at the wind chills. About 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning, between around 8 and 16. Shiver me timbers, 39 as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Breezy at times, so wind chills maybe down to around, say, 28 or 29 at times throughout the day. Storm track 7-day forecast. Again, we're going to watch this very closely, tracking this winter storm potential at least as we head into Monday. And again, the temperatures will be really critical early Monday where the onset of the precipitation occurs. Tuesday, there could be a couple of snowflakes out there. Again, some of the models have kind of backed off on a whole lot of snow. And then notice it's going to be just a cold week. Even on Thursday, temperatures fall back down into the lower 30s for afternoon highs. So again, we'll track it and pay attention tomorrow. We'll be back on the air at 5:30 tomorrow evening, let you know what's going on.
Sounds good. Good for folks just to be prepared.
That's right.